Cutting corners on a bathroom remodel in the wrong places can lead to structural problems, water damage, installation issues, and product replacement costs. Here are 5 corners to avoid cutting when trying to save money on your bathroom remodel. 1. Taking a DIY approach to your remodel. It's best to leave intensive projects like bathroom remodels to the professionals. Professionals are specifically trained in their work and have years of experience in the field. 2. Hiring a reputable remodeling company. It is crucial to do a little research in advance to ensure legitimacy and credibility of a company. And when in doubt, call them up. 3. Installing cheap, inferior products. Cheap products often chip, crack, and fail to function quickly, leaving their homeowners dishing out additional money on replacement costs. 4. No warranty on products and labor. Manufacturer warranties almost always back quality products, but legitimate remodelers should always guarantee craftsmanship and labor. 5. Don't skimp on the details. It's always recommended to budget appropriately before you start your remodel to ensure no detail, big or small, gets overlooked. Call 8-Hour Shower at 317-973-7770 to set up a free Indianapolis, Indiana bathroom remodel consultation today.